You can create a list in two ways. Either navigate to the Leganto homepage via the University of York logo in the top left corner and click New List, or you can create your list directly through the Reading List link on the module VLE site. You will then need to name the list using this box. Please keep in mind duplicate names can make a list harder to locate later down the line, so using dates and specific module names is best, and click Create. You will be given template options such as blank template or weeks 1 to 11 template. Pick whichever best suits your needs, but don't worry as you can add or delete sections as needed. Details on how to do so will be provided in the sections and structure video. If you create the list from the VLE, it should automatically link to your course. If not, you will need to do this by clicking Manage Module Association from the three-dot menu on the top right. From here, add the course code. If you know a rough estimate of the number of students on the course, please add this in the relevant box. This is helpful so the reading list team can provide sufficient access to readings. You will also be given the option to add all course instructors as collaborators, so they can edit the list too, although this can also be done later down the line, so don't worry too much. If you cannot find the correct course on the drop-down, or your list is not associated even after creating it through the VLE site, please contact the Reading Lists team. Alternatively, the Reading List team can also create the list from scratch on your behalf. To request this, please use the new submissions form, which can be found on the Information for Academic Staff webpage. Please provide the structure you would like your list to be laid out in, as well as indicating which tags should be present for each item. For further details on how to structure your list and tag items, please see the correlating videos. If you would like the Reading List team to create your list, please do submit this via the form before the deadline to ensure that the list is created in time for the new semester. If you submit the list after the deadline, we will still create this, but we cannot guarantee that it will be ready in time for teaching. Deadlines vary from year to year, and details on this will be shared with you at the relevant time. If you have any questions, please do contact us via our email address lib-readinglists@york.ac.uk.